What's up, and welcome back to GemPages Tutorials channel. This is Kayla, and today we'll continue the series for product page design with GemPages. I'm going to show you how to add review form and product reviews as well as rating star to your Shopify store with a free app called Product Reviews. Yeah, you know product reviews are found on the biggest e-commerce sites in the world. Not only do marketplace websites like Amazon and Etsy have reviews, but plenty of individual stores do too. The visitors rely heavily on reviews to guide them through a purchase decision, building trust via social proof, improve ranking and search results, stay engaged with customers by giving them a chance to leave their thoughts or buying experience. So now let's take a look at this basic test page. We have the example product page here to view how it'll look on your store after adding this app in GemPages. We'll go through two main parts today. If you want to jump straight to the specific part, then I have the timestamp in the description below. Let's move to part 1 first. Add review and review form to your product page. In GemPages Editor, search for Liquid Element from the left sidebar, then drag it into your page. Right-click on the element label, then choose Edit HTML. As you can see, this panel revealed with some code. You just need to replace all existing code with the custom code in our help document link, which I've attached in the description below. Click Save to save your change on this page. Now let's have a preview. Your reviews form should be displayed like this on your live page, with the reviews when your product has some. If you haven't had any reviews yet, the word No Reviews will display. If you want to display rating star on a product page or collection page, let's move to part 2. Add review score badges to your product page or collection pages. Similarly to add review score badges to your product page or collection page, you can use Liquid Element to write under your product title. And then right-click on it. Choose Edit HTML, and then add your custom code in the same help document link which I've attached in the description below. Similarly, you can use Liquid Element with the same code in a collection inside Product List module. Just drop the Liquid Element right under your product title, and then right-click on it. Choose Edit HTML, and then add your custom code. So now you have successfully added a review form and review score badges to your product page and collection page. As we see here, with product review apps, you can give customers that extra push they need to trust your online shop and complete their purchase. To get the latest tutorials and tips for your store design with GemPages, just hit subscribe to our channel and the notification bell. Thank you, and see you next time.